Salam, welcome to Mama Lube YouTube channel. Today I am sharing cauliflower dessert recipe. This recipe is delicious and healthy. Let's make it. Add 2 cups of finely chopped cauliflower to the blender. Add 1/4 cup desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup almonds, 2 cups whole milk, blend into a smooth puree. Keep aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee or coconut oil. Add the cauliflower mixture. Cook on medium-high heat. Stir continuously. Add half cup full cream milk powder. Add half cup monk fruit sweetener or sweetener of your choice. Continue cooking till the mixture holds its shape and the ghee separates from the fudge. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Keep stirring until everything is well combined. As the halwa cooks, it will gradually harden a bit. Switch off the flame. Transfer the fudge to a plate. Rest until cool. Make balls and roll in desiccated coconut. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.